this session, we will talk about coordinate reference system. In GIS, everything is based on coordinate reference system. A coordinate system is a reference system used to represent the location for a geographic features, imagery, and GPS location in a common geographic framework. GIS uses two types of coordinate reference system. One is geographic coordinate system and another is projected coordinate system. GCS, the geographic coordinate system, represents the locations on a three-dimensional Earth surface. Therefore, its units are in decimal degrees. PCS, the projected coordinate system. It is produced by projecting these geographic coordinate systems into a flat surface. Therefore, projected coordinate system represents the location on the plane surface. And the unit of these projected coordinate systems are in meters. It is necessary to define the geographic coordinate systems to produce a projected coordinate system in GIS. This projected coordinate system is necessary to do all the quantitative analysis like area calculation, length measurement, etc. There are hundreds of GCS and thousands of PCS exist in GIS platform. Among these, WGS 1984 is the commonly used geographic coordinate system and UTM is the popularly used projected coordinate system in GIS. Now we will discuss more about WGS 1984. WGS stands for World Geodetic System and it is established in 1984. It represents the locations on the three-dimensional Earth's surface. Therefore, its units are in decimal degrees. The coordinate origin of WGS 1984 is meant to be located at the Earth's center of mass. And it is used in cartography, geodesy, and satellite navigation systems including GPS, which is established and maintained by the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency (ESA). I already told that WGS 1984 is the commonly used geographic coordinate systems. That is the reason why we used this WGS 84 while we are georeferencing our topo sheet. In some software like QGIS, we can see the name as WGS 84 EPSG 4326. This EPSG stands for European Petroleum Survey Group. It is an organization which maintains the geodetic parameters with standard codes. Now we will discuss about UTM. It is a common projected coordinate system in GIS. UTM stands for Universal Transverse Mercator. It is an international locational reference system that depicts the Earth's three-dimensional surface in a relatively accurate two-dimensional plane. It is used to project the spatial data located between 84 degree north latitude and 80 degree south latitude. The area above these regions are projected using Universal Polar Stereographic Coordinate System. This UTM coordinate system divides the Earth into 60 zones vertically. Each zone covers 6 degrees of Earth surface. The zone 1 starts at 180 degree meridian. This single zones again divided into northern and southern hemisphere. For defining the projected coordinate system, we need to understand the UTM zones in which our data are falling. India is covering total of 6 UTM zones, which starting from zone 42 to zone 47. In this picture, we can understand that Kerala is falling zone 43 northern hemisphere. That's about the coordinate reference system. In next session, we will move to the QGIS for defining projected coordinate systems to our georeferenced topo sheet.